Hello everyone, welcome to Marina's Point. Today question we have a 4-pole lap-wound shunt generator delivers 200 ampere at terminal voltage of 250 voltage. It has a field and armature resistance is given. We have to calculate armature current, generated EMF, current per armature parallel path, and power developed. These four things we have to calculate in this question. So we have given pole overlap und so number of parallel paths become 4 because lap und it is given. So number of parallel paths become 4. Pole is equal to 4 in lap und so number of parallel paths become 4 denoted by A. Terminal load current is 200 ampere given and terminal voltage is also given denoted by V, and field resistance and armature resistance is given. So what is armature current? As a generator, the armature supplies both the load current and the field current. So first field current. So field current IF is equal to supply volt divided by resistance. So field current will be 5 ampere, and similarly armature current IA is equal to load current plus field current. So IA become 205. Two things we have to see here. B calculated armature current, how voltage divided by resistance. Okay. So field current we calculated. Now we have to calculate armature current IA. So it is equal to load current plus field current. So load we have calculated here, field current and load current is given. So armature current will armature current will become 205. So we have to remember armature current is equal to load current plus field current. Okay. Next question we have to calculate generated EMF. Generated EMF formula is equal to, we can say here, generated EMF equals to terminal voltage plus voltage drop in the armature. And voltage drop in the armature, how we can calculate? IA into RA. So first we have to calculate armature drop. Armature drop is equal to IA into RA. You can see in the video we already calculated. So generated EMF become 250 plus 10 plus 25, that is 260.25. So here generated EMF we already calculated. Now we have to calculate current per armature parallel path. So number of poles is given. So number of parallel path A is equal to 4. So current per path is equal to IA, that is armature current, divided by number of path. So armature current is here 205. We already calculated divided by 4 because number of parallel paths become 4, because in lap winding number of pole is equal to number of parallel paths. So current per path we already calculated. Next, power developed. Power developed is equal to power developed is equal to generated EMF. Power is equal to simple V into I. So here power developed is equal to generated EMF into armature current. So E into IA. So P developed, we already calculated generated EMF. You can see. So when we multiply armature current, which is 205 by generated EMF, we can find developed power. You can see here. So simple to remember, power is equal to VI, and where you have to find power developed. So generated EMF in armature current multiplied by armature current. So power developed we can calculate here.